Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the technique I use to paint white fur with acrylic paints. This is the shortened version. If you would like to see the full-length tutorial, just go to the link in the description of this video. Painting white fur onto a white canvas can be a bit daunting, so I like to start out by painting a slightly darker shade first. I just mix white paint with a bit of grey and a little bit of blue and brown. We're going to start out by painting the shadows first. Mix up some paint using the same colours as before, but this time make it a shade darker. Then paint in the darker areas of the fur. Keep looking at your reference photo so you know where the shadows should go. Fur tends to fall into clumps and the shadows are usually underneath these clumps. I'm using quite a large pointed brush to do this. Make sure you move your brush in the direction of the fur. So once you've finished painting in the shadows, you should start to see the different sections of the fur. Now use some white paint to paint in the highlights. Look at your reference photo and paint in the lightest areas of the fur, making sure you leave some of the midtones showing through. Now we're going to increase the contrast a bit by darkening the darkest areas of the shadows. This is usually right underneath the clumps of fur. Use the same paint you used to paint the shadows, but add a little more brown and blue to make it darker. You can also add in a little bit of black paint, but make sure you don't make it too dark. Then just paint in the darkest areas of the fur, making sure you move the brush in the same direction as the fur. If you want to blend the sections together slightly, just use the mid-tone paint that you used for the base layer and gently paint onto the areas you want to soften. This will help to give the fur a softer look, just be careful not to overdo it. Now let's brighten the highlights by adding some more white paint. Just paint over the lightest areas of the fur to brighten it up a bit. To add some finer fur lines, mix some water with some white paint to thin it out. Then use your paintbrush and very lightly move it back and forth in the direction of the fur. This will create much finer lines. Continue to do this until you're happy with how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos showing you painting techniques and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel.